What's going on, guys? Wait a second. What's going on, guys? I'm back with a video. I posted this video before, but I want to do it again. Talstar Pro or Talstar P. I did videos in the past of the backyard cutter, back spray cutter for mosquitoes. That works pretty well too. It's like $10 for a can, $20 for a can or a bottle, and it works pretty well to repel mosquitoes. I don't believe it repels all summer. I would do it once a month, but yeah, this stuff here is really good too. Talstar Pro Professional. Now, I used to have Orchid service, okay? I used to have the Orchid Man service at my house. And, let's see if it rain again. I used to have Orchid Man service, okay? Orchid Man service was charging me, I don't know, it was charging me about $40 a month. You pay every other month, all right? The thing about Orchid, they work pretty good. I mean, it repel all the bugs outside the house, okay? The problem with the Orchid Man is they only do, it's gonna rain a little bit, they'll only do outside and inside, okay? They don't do the bushes outside. They don't do your backyard. You see back here, they don't do the backyard. They don't shoot the bushes for you. None of that stuff, right? So when you go in your backyard, eat by mosquitoes. So, and then that $40 bill was a lot of money. The problem with Orchid Man is, if you work a 9 to 5, and you drive to work every day, they can't come inside the house unless somebody's there, for one. And two, they're so busy on weekends. Weekends, they do apartment buildings and bigger commercial buildings, so they really can't come into your house and spray it inside. And I got tired of that, you know. Getting great service. They come on time. I had issue one time with them before, but that was small. So I got this stuff here. Now this stuff costs about $40 for a quart. It's like $50, $60 for probably a gallon, half gallon. The stuff is expensive, but this stuff works. You could spray your house, inside the house. I believe inside the house as well. But I keep it mostly outside. I got some organic stuff I spray inside the house, but I spray the stuff mainly outside. And you mix it with water, and you fill 1 gallon of water to 1 ounce of this stuff here. So you would like bring it down here, and you bring it over here, and you fill this up here. And you see, I'm halfway to the one. When we get to the 1 ounce, you'll dump this part out here to your bucket of water. While you use a spray, you need a sprayer. It's okay. Get your sprayer. Now I got a 1 gallon sprayer here. I wish I never got a 1 gallon sprayer. Here's my 1 gallon sprayer right here. My 1 gallon sprayer. Okay. Now, quick tip: do not get a 1 gallon sprayer. Okay. Just do my house. I mean, spray. You want to spray the grass. You want to spray, the house really good. It takes me 2 gallons of water. Okay, so I get halfway, and then I have to put more water in it, measure this again, do this and do that, and put it back in a gallon sprayer, pump it back up, and start over. And then, while I finish the house, I have a little left over. If I go in the front of the house and spray bushes and trees and grass, I'm out. I gotta do the backyard. Okay, now I gotta pump it again. Okay, so 3 gallons of water. So I'm gonna need to fill it up here. I'll say get a 3 gallon sprayer. If I have a 3 gallon sprayer, I can fill it up one time and do the whole house in the backyard. Okay, so don't use, unless you have a small house and a small front yard and backyard, I'll suggest get you at least a 3 gallon sprayer. You have to mix it with water to kill everything. Okay, 1 gallon, 3 gallon sprayer. I was going cheap. Next time I get a 3 gallon sprayer and do all in one time, versus me keep pumping and dumping, and I gotta, it's annoying as hell. So this stuff works, and you want to cut your bill from paying someone to do your house. This stuff is it, man. This stuff is it. I say put it down at least once a month. After you cut the grass, I put it down. If it called for rain for the next 2-3 days, I wouldn't put it down. It works pretty good in the rain, but I will put it down at least once a month during the summer. I don't really use it in the wintertime. Wintertime not as bad, The winter, I probably do once every 2 months. Okay, because not a lot of bugs in the winter. There's no mosquitoes. They don't really not much bugs in the winter than the summer. So I would do this once a month from April until probably November, and when it's super cold. To be honest with you, I put nothing down. I put nothing down in the winter. Didn't even need it. It's an orchid man or whoever you got is going to charge you every other month during the winter when there's no bugs out. So yeah, and you can spray it yourself. You can do all these trees and stuff back here. Mosquitoes breed in here. Mosquitoes like warm, damp, not too warm, but they don't like hot temperatures. Okay, they're in here hiding around in the grass, in the weeds. They're all back here. You gotta spray all back here. Spray all this grass because they hide in grass. Okay, until it gets cooler outside, and that's when they start biting you. All right, it's not gonna be 100% effective. I still get bitten, but I get bitten way less. Now my last video I did, the cutter backyard control, that works too. You can put both of them down. Okay. Hey, you will spend $40. Mom will spend on something, and you can spray all back here as well. You have a cookout or a family function, you can put down the bug cutter, and then come back with this. The spots you missed. Okay, the bug cutter is good for the backyard. I put the bug cutter on the backyard. This will go on the house, on the windows, on the house. It keeps bugs away, and it works really. I had an ant problem. I sprayed bug spray, and 3 days later they're back. I put this stuff down. I haven't seen them since. It's been about 3 weeks now. It works, okay? I will link it below the video, okay? I will link a 3-gallon sprayer, which I suggest. Don't get a 1-gallon like I did. I'll link down below the video. I say give it a try. Give it a try. Put it in your backyard and see what happens. You might eliminate your pest control service. Now, if you got a bad problem, go with them. But if you got like a small bug problem, ants, mosquitoes in the backyard, and you not much bugs in the backyard, this stuff right here will do it. Let's say this lasts me all last year. I bought this last summer, and I don't use as much. I put it down once this year. When I cut the grass again, I'll put it on again. I'm gonna need some more. Also, Southern States also sell this in their gardening department. So you can use the Southern States if you want to. But yeah, that's the end of my video. Hope you like and share the video, and I'll see you on the next time.